Hello friends, welcome to KRK Law channel. Friends, today we will see Judicial Preliminary Examination question paper of year 2014 with answers for the post of District Judge by KRK Law. So friends, watch your complete video, share it, like it, comment on it and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Friends, now we will see question number 51. The period of limitation for instituting a suit by a person under legal disability to enforce a right of preemption is dash. The answer is option number B, 1 year. Question number 52. If a lessee of property remains in possession thereof after the determination of a lease granted to him and the lessor accepts the rent from the lessee or otherwise assents to his continuing in possession is known as legal parlance as dash. The answer is option number A, tenancy by holding over. Question number 53. A and B agree that A shall pay B rupees 1000 for which B shall afterwards deliver to A either rice or smuggled opium. The answer is option number C. The agreement is a valid contract to deliver rice and white agreement as to the opium. Question number 54. An act of a firm means dash. The answer is option number B. Any act or omission by all the partners or by any partner or agent of the firm which gives rise to a right enforceable by or against the firm. Question number 55. Under Order 26, Rule 10, the report of the Commissioner and the evidence taken by him dash. The answer is option number B. Shall be evidence in the suit and shall form part of the record. Question number 56. Under Hindu Succession Act, where two persons have died in circumstances rendering it uncertain whether either of them and if so which survive the other, then for all purposes affecting succession to property, it shall be presumed that dash. The answer is option number B. Younger survived the elder. Question number 57. A agrees absolutely in writing to pay B rupees 1000 on the 1st March 2014. The fact that at the same time an oral agreement was made that money should not be paid till 31st March dash. The answer is option number D. An oral agreement cannot be proved either by A or B but can be proved by a person who is not a party to the writing or document. Question number 58. A instigates B to burn Z's house. B sets fire to the house and at the same time commits theft of property there. The answer is option number A. A is guilty of abetting the burning of the house. Question number 59. Doctrine of blending deals with dash. Answer is option number B. Merger of self-acquired property into the joint family property. Question number 60. A child of a marriage which is null and void or which is annulled by a decree of nullity under section 12 of Hindu Marriage Act dash. The answer is option number D. B and C above. That is B is entitled to succeed to the property of his father and C is entitled to succeed to the property of his mother. Question number 61. Where after the institution of a suit, a new defendant is added, the suit shall, as regards him, that is defendant, be deemed to have been instituted dash. Answer is option number A. When he was so made a party. Question number 62. Even if suit for specific performance of a contract to sell immovable property has been dismissed on the ground that the suit was barred by limitation dash. The answer is option number D. Right to protect possession by virtue of principle of part performance is available to the transferee in possession of the immovable property provided the contract of transfer has been registered in accordance with the provisions of Indian Registration Act. Question number 63. When a contract has been broken, if a sum is named in the contract as the amount to be paid in case of such breach dash. The answer is option number A. The party complaining of the breach is entitled, whether or not actual damage or loss is proved to have been caused thereby, to receive from the party who has broken the contract reasonable compensation not exceeding the amount so named. Question number 64. No suit under section 6 of the Specific Relief Act shall be brought dash. The answer is option number D, B and C above. That is, B is the against the government and C is after the expiry of 6 months from the date of disposition. Question number 65. A partner in the firm is dash. The answer is option number A, entitled to transfer his interest in the firm either absolute or by mortgage. Question number 66. Where at the hearing of application relating to interim relief in a suit, an objection as to a suit being barred by limitation is taken by any of the parties to the suit dash. The answer is option number B. The court shall proceed to determine at the hearing of such application the issue as to limitation. Question number 67. The first information report dash. The answer is option number B is used for corroboration or contradict the evidence of the maker thereof. Question number 68. Any person who has accepted a tender of pardon made under section 306 or section 307 has either by willfully concealing anything essential or by giving false evidence not complied with the condition on which the tender was made. Who will certify this fact? The answer is option number C, public prosecutor. Question number 69. Where an attachment has been made by any private transfer or delivery of the property attached is dash. The answer is option number A, void as against all claims enforceable under the attachment. Question number 70. Presumption under section 90 of the Indian Evidence Act as to due execution and attestation of document is attached to dash. The answer is option number B, 30 years old document. Question number 71. A promise made without any intention of performing it dash. The answer is option number A is a fraud. Question number 72. Liability of a partner for acts of the firm is dash. The answer is option number B, joint with all the other partners and also several. Question number 73. Which of the following contracts cannot be specifically enforced? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Means A contract for the non-performance of which compensation in money is an adequate relief. B, a contract which is in its nature determinable. And C, a contract the performance of which involves the performance of a continuous duty which the court cannot supervise. Question number 74. A contract for sale of immovable property dash. The answer is option number C, does not of itself create interest in or charge on such property. Question number 75. A remedy of a person unsuccessful in a suit under section 6 of Specific Relief Act is to file dash. The answer is option number C, a regular suit for establishing title to the suit property. Question number 76. A confession made by a conspirator involving other members is relevant against the co-conspirator jointly tried with him and is admissible. The answer is option number C, under section 30 of the Evidence Act. Question number 77. In a suit for compensation for malicious prosecution, the plaintiff has to prove dash. The answer is option number D, all the above. Means A, that the prosecution was actuated by malice. B, the prosecution was instituted against him without any reasonable or probable cause. And C, the proceedings complaint of terminated in favor of the plaintiff. Question number 78. The accused is a warehouse keeper The complainant going on a journey entrusts his furniture to the accused under a contract that the furniture would be returned on payment of stipulated sum of money. The accused says the accused is guilty of which one of the following? The answer is option number D, criminal breach of trust. Question number 79. A patient is a mental health center a patient in a mental health center who is at intervals of sound mind dash during those intervals. The answer is option number B, may contract. Question number 80. A debtor acknowledged the debt in a postcard and sent it to the plaintiff. The defendant specifically wrote on the card without prejudice. When the suit was filed, the defendant pleaded inter alia that claim was barred by limitation. The plaintiff relied on the postcard to show there was an acknowledgement of the debt and therefore the suit is within limitation. The plaintiff has also filed a complaint under section 138 of Negotiable Instrument Act against the debtor. The postcard is also sought to be relied upon in the said proceeding as well. The answer is option number C. The postcard is not admissible in the suit but is admissible in the criminal case. Question number 81. Anyone who by words spoken or written or by conduct represents himself to be a partner in a firm is liable as a partner in that firm to anyone who has, on the faith of any such representation, given credit to the firm. This is called dash. The answer is option number A, partner by holding out. Question number 82. Specific performance of a contract cannot be enforced in favor of a person dash. The answer is option number D, A to C above. That is A, who would not be entitled to recover compensation for its breach. B, who acts in fraud of the contract. C, who fails to aver and prove that he has performed or has always been ready and willing to perform the essential terms of the contract which are to be performed by him. Question number 83. Armchair rule pertains to dash. The answer is option number B, interpretation of a will. Question number 84. When the same person becomes entitled to the absolute ownership of the whole of the dominant and servient heritages. The answer is option number C, an easement is extinguished. Question number 85. The immovable property sold in execution of a decree and such sale has become absolute, the property shall be deemed to have vested in the purchaser. The answer is option number A, from the time when the property is sold. Question number 86. Dash. The court may by order appoint a receiver of any property before or after decree. Answer is option number A, where it appears to the court to be just and convenient. Question number 87. A stabs B, A's father. A dies of heart attack. Immediately thereafter, A is survived by his widow and 2 children. B dies after the death of A on account of injury caused to him. As such, A murdered his father. Had A been survived, he would have been disqualified from inheriting B's property. The answer is option number B. The widow and both the children would not inherit the property of deceased B as the entire stock of A is disqualified from inheriting. There are directions. The following 1 to 5 items consist of 2 statements, one labeled as the assertion A and the other as reason R. You are to examine these 2 statements carefully and select the answers to these items using the codes given below. Codes are A, both A and R are individually true and R is the correct explanation of A. B, both A and R are individually true and R is not the correct explanation of A. C is A is true but R is false, and D, A is false but R is true. Now question number 88. Statement 1, that is A. If a person feels that his fundamental rights have been infringed, he can approach a court of law for enforcement of his rights. And statement 2, that is R. Fundamental rights are justiciable. Answer is option number A, that is code A. Both A and R are individually true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 89. Statement 1a. Secularism is a basic feature of the Constitution of India in the sense that the state should be neutral to the different religions. And statement 2, that is R. One of the directive principles of state policy states that uniform civil code may be implemented. The answer is option number, that is code number B. That is both A and R are individually true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 90. Statement 1, that is A. Special provision for the protection of children is made in Article 24. And statement 2, R. Children below the age of 14 years, if employed to work in any factory or mine or engage in any other hazardous employment, are deprived of education and proper physical and mental development. The answer is option number A, that is code number A. That is both A and R means affirmation and reason are individually true, and reason R is the correct explanation of A, that is assertion. Question number 91. Statement 1a. Directive principles are not enforceable by any court. And statement 2, that is R. Directive principles are more or less fundamental in the governance of the country. The answer is code number B, that is both A and R are individually true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Now question number 92. Statement 1a. If A does work for B without his request or knowledge, he can sue for the value of his work. And statement 2, that is R. Acquiescence can be presumed from silence. Answer is code number D, that is A is false but R is true. Now we will see question number 93. The territorial jurisdiction of India extends to a maritime belt of a coastal water to a width of dash. The answer is option number B, 12 nautical miles measured from the low water mark. Question number 94. 5 persons assembled on the platform of railway station and started fighting with each other. The passengers present at the railway station got annoyed and felt disturbed. These persons are guilty of dash. The answer is option number B, afraid. Question number 95. The right of private defense of property extends to the voluntary causing of death of the wrongdoer in case of an offence of dash. The answer is option number D, B and C above. That is B is robbery and C is housebreaking by night. Question number 96. Doctrine of confirmation by subsequent event is based on dash. The answer is option number B, section 27 of the Indian Evidence Act. Question number 97. Which of the following is R exception to the rule that a contract of personal services cannot ordinarily be specifically enforced? The answer is option number D, all the above. That is A, where public servant is sought to be removed from service in contravention of the provisions of Article 311 of the Constitution of India. B, where worker is sought to be reinstated on being dismissed under the industrial law. And C, where a statutory body acts in breach or violation of the mandatory provisions of the statute. Question number 98. In a contract of guarantee dash. The answer is option number A. There is an implied promise by the principal debtor to indemnify the surety. Question number 99. A gift of immovable property must be effected dash. The answer is option number A, by a registered instrument signed by or on behalf of the donor and attested by at least 2 witnesses. Question number 100. In computing the period of limitation for any suit dash, the answer is option number A, the time during which defendant has been absent from India shall be excluded. Thank you.